Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign PDFs on your iPad. First, open your PDF in an app like Files. Look for the markup icon, which resembles a pen, and tap it. Next, select the signature tool. You can then create a new signature using your finger or an Apple Pencil. Once created, simply drag and resize your signature onto the document. Finally, tap Done to save your signed PDF. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments. The Files app on your iPad is a fantastic tool for signing documents. Simply open your PDF directly within the app. Once the document is open, you'll see the familiar markup icon at the top. Tap this icon, then select the signature tool. You have the flexibility to either create a brand new signature or select one you've previously saved. After placing your signature, you can easily adjust its size and position to fit perfectly. Did you know you can manage multiple signatures on your iPad? Within the markup toolbar, tap the signature tool. Here, you'll see an option to add a new signature or manage your existing collection. This allows you to delete old signatures or create several different versions, perhaps one for formal documents and another for casual use. Always ensure your chosen signature is clear and legible, especially for important paperwork. It offers great flexibility. Once you've successfully signed your PDF, saving and sharing it is simple. Just tap the Done button, usually located in the top left corner of your screen. Your iPad will automatically save the signed document, often overriding the original file. From there, you can easily share your newly signed PDF. Options include sending it via email, using AirDrop, or sharing through various other applications. Always take a moment to confirm the signature is correctly saved on the document.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.